I thought I'd document how I actually prep the frozen food so that I can have a right proportion and just quickly grab it without having to do too much thinking and cutting. And I really hate flat packs, except they're a better deal. The larger flat pack that you can see here of this is the Reef Frenzy Herbivore Blend. I do not like having it in these packs. Even if I put them in a Ziploc bag, they tend to tear at some point. They don't reseal properly, and ultimately I'll get freezer burn. So I quickly cut these open, take them out of the pack itself, and just so you know, I've kind of prepped everything around here. So like I don't want anything. Everything you're seeing here is strictly for the fish. The knife and everything. So basically what I do is I cut the flat pack up and I put them into these plastic containers, and I cut these up into cubes of about maybe a quarter of an inch in size. That allows me to either throw in 1, 2, 3 depending on the tank and the number of fish that I'm feeding. That's really all I do. I just kind of do this and keep it inside of these little frozen or freezer-friendly containers, kind of like Tupperware. Makes it really easy to just open it up, grab it, or if I'm leaving and I need somebody else to do it for me, just tell them, hey, grab 2 cubes and go ahead and drop it into the little, I got one of those innovative marine defrosters, and they work pretty good. Yeah, so it's a really good I like this a lot because I've tried keeping these flat packs, even the smaller ones. The Ziplocs ultimately break. There's a tear will appear somehow down in the bottom of it, so you ultimately get freezer burn, and it just never works out. So this has been a really good way to kind of preserve these and actually don't waste. I'm not breaking off pieces and stuff like that. So just takes a few seconds here or a couple minutes, and I use a few of these containers. So I thought I might share this. It's also documentation for me, so I can see how many or how small I'm making these guys. So there you go. Thanks for watching. All right, so I think what I'm doing here is the other freezer container got full, so then I just reuse other freezer containers that I have in the freezer. This one's a mix of Rod's food, so I do this same practice with everything. Even the little bubble packs, I actually take those little cubes out and I kind of chop them in half, and I'll throw them in here because it just makes it easier to kind of just open these little plastic containers and just grab something good, throw it in there. The other thing I sometimes do is I'll just drop in some Celcon into the actual pack itself, like into these freezer containers, and that just kind of helps just get some of that frozen into the food. Yeah, so then when I run out of these containers, I actually just go ahead and use a stronger freezer Ziploc bag. And I'll do that until I get in hold of another freezer container or get more room in one of the other ones that I'm using. So that just much better than the flat packs. The flat packs I don't know why they make them so bad. Anyways, I thought this might be a good thing to share with everyone, and for my own reference too. All right, thanks for watching.